I got my first set of Tangem wallet cards about 3 years ago, and I was one of the first YouTubers who filmed a step-by-step guide showing how to use them. Since then, I've been using Tangem every single day, and today I want to share my honest thoughts. This is my updated Tangem wallet review. Let's break it down. As I mentioned, I use my Tangem wallet every day, and there are a few reasons why. Let's start with security. Tangem uses a Samsung Secure Element chip with EAL6 Plus certification. Secure Element chips like this are widely used in many machine-readable travel documents and payment cards. EAL6 Plus is one of the highest security certifications under the Common Criteria standard. It means the chip has gone through extremely thorough independent security testing. But security isn't just about the chip, it's also about transparency. The Tangem mobile wallet app is fully open source and published on GitHub, which means anyone can review and verify the code. That's important because even if some extreme scenario happened and Tangem as a company disappeared, users would still be able to recover their funds, since the wallet software is open source. Now let's talk about the chip firmware. The chip firmware itself is closed source. Many wallet manufacturers usually don't allow their chip firmware code to be publicly released. But that doesn't mean the system isn't verified. Tangem's card firmware and architecture have been audited by independent security labs. Kudelski Security conducted an audit in 2018, and Rescure conducted another audit in 2023. Both audits analyzed the firmware, the system architecture, and the NFC communication used by the cards, and they reported no backdoors or vulnerabilities that could expose private keys. Another thing my non-technical friends really like is that Tangem does not require a seed phrase. Your private key is generated directly inside the chip, so you don't have to write down or protect the seed phrase, removing the human error factor. Instead, you simply store your backup cards safely. Those backup cards allow you to recover your wallet if you lose your main card. Full disclosure, Tangem does allow you to generate and import a traditional 12 or 24-word seed phrase if you want, so that option is available. I personally use my Tangem wallet in seedless mode. In my opinion, that's actually the safer way to use these cards. Even if my phone were infected with malware, my private key wouldn't be exposed, since it's stored offline, inside the Tangem card itself, not on the mobile device. Before we continue, I want to remind you that if you are interested in getting a Tangem wallet or a Tangem ring, you can use my discount code CryptoSnake. With my code, you'll get the best discount currently available, and I'll receive a small commission from each sale. Thanks for supporting my channel. I'll leave the link in the description. Now let's talk about durability. At its core, the Tangem wallet is just a chip with an embedded antenna housed in plastic. There are no moving parts and nothing that can really break. Because the chip is sealed inside the card, it can withstand extreme temperatures and water exposure. Tangem is so confident in their technology that they offer a 25-year warranty on their cards. You also don't need to update its firmware. You don't need to charge the wallet, and the card is resistant to X-rays, electromagnetic pulses, and electrostatic discharge, so you can travel with it without worrying about airport scanners. The Tangem app has improved a lot over the past 3 years. When I first started using Tangem, I could basically just send and receive coins. Over the past 3 years, the app has evolved into a full crypto platform where you can buy, sell, swap, analyze coins, log them to receive interest, and even stake crypto directly inside the app. And the interface is very intuitive. Now let's talk about the company behind Tangem Wallet. Tangem AG is a Swiss fintech company founded in 2017, headquartered in Zug, Switzerland, right in the well-known crypto valley. I've personally met members of the Tangem team several times at blockchain conferences around the world. From my experience, the team has strong background in fintech and IT, very smart people and very innovative. If you look at Tangem Pay, for example, another product they're developing, you can see how they're trying to push the crypto wallet industry forward. I've also seen some comments online mentioning that members of the Tangem team have Ukrainian and Russian roots. Personally, I don't see anything negative about that at all. In fact, many of the most talented innovators in blockchain and big tech come from Eastern Europe. Just look at Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, Anatoly Yakovenko, the founder of Solana, Sergey Nazarov, the founder of Chainlink. And outside crypto, you have people like Pavel Durov, the founder of Telegram, Max Levchin, one of the founders of PayPal, and Sergey Brin, the co-founder of Google. So having a talented international team based in Crypto Valley makes perfect sense to me. Speaking of customer support, Tangem offers 24/7 live chat and email support for users around the world. When it comes to coins, the wallet supports all major cryptocurrencies, so you're not limited in terms of assets. Another interesting detail, you can connect up to around 80 Tangem wallet sets to a single phone. Not sure if you'll ever need that many. And when it comes to design, Tangem offers dozens of different wallet designs. For example, they currently have a big sale on their colorful wallets, which actually look really nice. Now let me mention one feature I personally hope Tangem improves in the future. As you know, I'm a Bitcoiner and privacy is very important to me. Most native SegWit wallets allow you to generate multiple receiving addresses, which helps improve privacy. Right now, the Tangem app uses a single receive address for Bitcoin. I'd really like to see an option that lets users generate a new Bitcoin address each time they receive funds. Hopefully that's something the team can add in the future. Other than that, Tangem is a great cold wallet. The company has sold millions of Tangem wallets, and so far there have been no publicly reported cases of Tangem cards being verifiably hacked. It's very secure, very durable, and very easy to use. The card is the size of a credit card, which makes it easy to carry in your wallet. I've personally used it every day for more than 3 years, and I always recommend it to my friends. And that's it for today. Again, if you're interested in getting a Tangem wallet, use my discount code CryptoSnake for the best price currently available. And as always, check out CryptoSnake deals for the best discounts on conference tickets and crypto gear. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you later.
I'm chilling in private with my cold storage, checking my profile.